Hi, I am Natasha Denona. This is my new coral eyeshadow palette. A new full-size coral-inspired eyeshadow palette featuring my signature eyeshadow formulas. 2 metallics, 2 creamy mattes, and 1 sensational multi-chrome sparkling formula that complements the perfect color story for coral shade lovers. Watch this video to learn how to create this soft pastel eye makeup look. I have prepped Shyly's eyelids with the eyeshadow base number 1, and now I'm going to start off with Lyria. This is the beautiful pastel matte pressed powder eyeshadow. I'm pressing it onto the lid, you know, like really softly. And I'm using tapping motions. I don't want to break the pigment immediately. I want full payoff. And soon I'm going to soften the edges. Now with the softer and fluffier brush, I will blend out the edges in the crease, but using the same eyeshadow. And I'm working with circular motions just to have a very soft finish. I'm picking up Kai with my finger. This is a beautiful foil pastel coral shade, packing it onto the center brow bone and the lid. That way it will give a gorgeous highlight that will catch the light from every single angle. Now with Lyria again and a fluffier brush, I am placing this brush with the pigment inside of the crease because I want to connect with this blending both eyeshadows. Now we'll finish up this look with this gorgeous sparkling duochrome shade. It's called Abalone. And with a small flat brush, I'm pressing it onto the inner corner. This will give this look a very beautiful twist.